So today's face primer that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminix Photo Focus. And you guys, I was scared that it was gold because I didn't notice that when I bought it. But it turned out to be pretty good. I didn't want to mess up my makeup, but it actually turned out pretty good. Today's foundation, I'm using the Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha, and I'm using the Dewy and Smooth one, and I love this foundation. Like, honestly, I've been using it before I even used Lancome in my NARS one, and I really love it. This foundation is bomb.com. Like, it's so lightweight, and it just applies on pretty smooth. It doesn't, you don't have to do too much. I bought this concealer, and it's by Ruby Kisses from the Weave store like a long time ago, and it's $3.99, and it gives really good coverage, and it's amazing. I definitely recommend you guys to try it, and it's pretty cheap. First palette that I'm using is the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade one in the color Fulani, and that's going to be my transition color before I put my other color right on top of it, and I'm making sure that everything is blended. So I seen this eyeshadow palette at Walgreens, and I'm like, yep, I have to get it. Like, this is so pretty, and the colors are so cute. And if you're the type of person that don't like so much colors on one palette, definitely give this a try. So I'm going in with the burgundy color. It doesn't have a name or anything on there, so I just go by the colors. And then I'm gonna put the shimmery pinkish looking color on top of it to give it like a little pizzazz, a little pop of color. So I'm using the Mega Volume from Wet n Wild as well, and it's I think like $3.99, I believe. So since this is a drugstore makeup tutorial, I'm using these lashes that I got from I think either Weave store or this little store called View of Fashion here, one of those two. And I honestly lost the package, so I don't really remember exactly the number. And it's pretty good lashes if you don't want nothing dramatic like mink lashes or. So for concealer, I'm using Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to speed this part up because I kind of do it like in all my makeup looks. So I'm taking my brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm making sure everything is blended before I do my contour, my baking, and all that stuff. You don't want no harsh lines before you do all that, so you want to make sure everything is blended pretty good. So for my contour, today I'm using the Black Opal in the color 700 Deep. I'm going to be baking. I'm going to be using my Sasha setting powder, and I'm going to put it right on top of the places that I put my concealer at. So I'm going to take my fluffy brush, and I'm going to wipe away all the excess powder. So I'm taking a random black pencil liner. I'm just gonna line my waterline with it. I'm taking that burgundy shade that I used earlier and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. So the highlighter I'm using today is from Wet n Wild and it's in the color Precious Petals. Some blush today. I'm not a big fan of blush because I feel like it makes my face look weird, but I'm using this blush by Juvia's Place and it's called Bella Blush. And honestly, I can say that it's really, really good for a person like me that doesn't like blush at all. So I'm using this highlight from Wet n Wild in the color Precious Petal. So for today's lips, I'm just going to do something very simple, just like clear lip gloss, and I'm just going to put that around my lips. You guys can use NYX as well, since it is affordable as well. To set everything, I'm using the matte setting spray from Wet n Wild. So I'm taking the same mascara from earlier, and I'm just going to put it on my bottom lashes. So this is the outcome and I really love the look. Like, it's so affordable and yeah, definitely recommend you guys to try it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.